Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. As you can see in this video, we're rejuvenating these metal gates. The design fault is that these are independent metal sections and they're all butt joint and neat. As you can see, the joint is at the bottom here. And you can see the joint emanating through. So on those joints, the rust is taking place, coupling corrosion. There's a lot of trade secrets here, but basically in a nutshell, we rub the metal down until we get to a putty position where the rust has been exfoliated. We then convert the rust from Fe3 to Fe4, so it goes from red rust to black rust. We then put a rust inhibitor in place on top of the rust treated areas, and then followed by the body putty to close up any pit marks. As you can see, it's been sanded down here, leaving the body putty only in the crevices. On top of that, it will get primer, and then it gets a coat of paint. Make it a great day and follow some further videos.